Hi, my name is Avery Landrum, and this is an original song I wrote called Rainy Day Blues. The rain outside my windowsill almost describes just how I feel. I feel so blue, but yet so gray. Tell my mama and tell my sister that I'm leaving, and I'll miss ya when I do. That much is true. And I could sit around and soak in my own sorrow, like he does, like they do, like you do. Or I could sit around and think how I'm missing you. I'm tired, please tell me some good news. I hate having these rainy day blues. And I know it's hard now that I'm gone, but believe me, I'm trying to hold on. And I know it's selfish of me to leave, but I hate what you've done to me. And I could sit around and soak in my own sorrow, like he does, like they do, like you do, like I still do. Or I could sit around and think how I'm missing you. I'm tired, please tell me some good news. I hate having these rainy day blues.